Python string prints as uString. This will surely be an easy one, but it is really bugging me. I have a script that reads in a web page and uses beautiful soup to parse it. From the soup, I extract all the links as my final goal is to print out the link.contents. All of the text that I am parsing is ASCII. I know that Python treats strings as Unicode, and I am sure this is very handy, just of no use in my Wii script. Every time I go to print out a variable that holds string, I get a uString printed to the screen. Is there a simple way of getting this back into just ASCII, or should I write a regex to strip it?
UABC would be a one-element list of Unicode strings. Beautiful Soup always produces Unicode. So you need to convert the list to a single Unicode string, and then convert that to ASCII. I don't know exactly how you got the one-element lists. The contents member would be a list of strings and tags, which is apparently not what you have. Assuming that you really always get a list with a single element, and that your test is really only ASCII, you would use this. However, please double-check that your data is really ASCII. This is pretty rare. Much more likely it's Latin 1 or UTF-8. Or you ask Beautiful Soup what the original encoding was and get it back in this encoding. You probably have a list containing one Unicode string. The representing of this is uString. You can convert this to a list of byte strings using any variation of the following.
If accessing/printing single element lists, e.g., sequentially or filtered.
Pass the output to str function, and it will remove the Unicode output U. Also, by printing the output, it will remove the U tags from it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.